Hey guys, welcome back to Titan Reviews. In this video, I am going to review a tool called Instawrapper, a tool that can convert old boring videos into highly engaging videos, increasing your conversions and sales. And Instawrapper is going to be launching on the 23rd of June, and that very day, there's going to be a webinar that shows a secret strategy known only to online gurus and influencers. So if you want to register for this wonderful webinar, there will be a link in the description for you to access the webinar that will be coming up on the 23rd. So moving forward to the review, what exactly is Instawrapper? Can it increase your video's engagement? Does it really work? You will know all this by the end of this video. So Instawrapper is a cutting edge video technology that converts any video into a conversion machine. You can make up to 500% more sales from your old videos by applying a magic fix known only to top marketers and influencers. Influencers were able to get your videos more attention, more engagement, and also leading you to more profit from the videos you've uploaded. So if we scroll down a little, we'll see some of the features of instant wrappers. Yeah, the first one is with Instawrapper, you'll be able to create 100 attention grabbing videos. If you don't really know how it actually works, don't worry, we'll get right into that very soon. You also be getting wrapper templates that get you all the eyeballs. You'll be getting really attractive templates you can use right at the second, and you'll be able to create any length of videos really fast. It has progress bars and countdown timers to maximize your conversion. It also allows you to add your own branding and customize the looks of your videos. It has a timeline editor to add elements at any point in your videos. And all these things might be looking, can I really do it? Yes, it is really beginner friendly. You don't need any previous experience to be able to use Instawrapper and to start getting those conversions and sales. So it also has an included commercial license to sell Instawrapper style videos for top dollar. With Instawrapper, you'll be able to stand out in the crowd, be able to get undivided attention, keep your audience captivated, create urgency, and also lead those viewers to take action. So let us see the difference of using Instawrapper and not using Instawrapper at your videos. Why does Instawrapper get you those views? Why does Instawrapper make your videos noticeable by people? So let us look at some of these pictures. See the first picture, you can see it's getting 7 likes, 80 likes. 80 likes is kind of much, but with Instawrapper you can still get more. I see 19 likes and 73 likes. Now let us see the videos with rappers. You can see seeing this bold large text. The first one says figuring everything out is a forever game. Seeing something like that will get your attention and you want to watch the video. You can see there this is having 1.6 thousand shares and 300 comments. Look at the second video, 24 hours in Lebanon. 24 hours doing what? I'd like to watch this video. Anybody that is not putting his volume to the really up will still feel interested with this video because they can see the large bold text viewing clearly on the video. But this is the difference Instawrapper makes. You can see many other videos like that getting 172,000 likes, 500,000 likes, and many more like that. So it explains here that the first type of videos have low engagement and most people are not even noticing those videos. Low views and low engagement translate to low conversions. So all the effort and money that went into create these videos are all down the drain. So you can see now that Instawrapper can actually help you get those attention needed, get people to watch your videos, get you those profits, get you those sales, and those are really the beautiful features about Instawrapper. So that is my review on Instawrapper. If you would like to get Instawrapper for yourself, there will be a link in the description, and buying through that link will give you access to free bonuses provided by me. So all you need to do is send me a message on Instagram with a screenshot of payment and you'll be granted access in no time. And before going, say Instawrapper costs $32 for the starter, and for the elite it costs $34. So you can get access right now, or if you want to get access to the webinar too, there'll also be a link in the description. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.